Alright, what's up guys? So someone asked me what are the chords to Mo'omo'onga, Sa, Molia, Talosaga, and how I play the song. So I just wanted to come on here and just quickly do a brief little tutorial. I'll just quickly play a little snippet of it so that you can hear it. So the main chords, I'll just go through the first part. The main chords are just C major 7, so like that. And sometimes I'll play it like this, but it's the same thing, or like this. As long as you've got C, G, that B, and the E and G. So that's the first chord. The second chord is F major 7, like that. So F, C, F, A, C, E, or sometimes I play it like this, and it's the same thing. So F, A, C, E. The next chord is D minor 7. So it's D, C. I don't know if you can see my other hand. I'm just gonna move the piano. So it's D, C, F, A, C, E. Or sometimes I might do something like that, but it's the same thing. That's also D minor 7 there. As long as you have D in the bass and C, F, A, or something like that. And then the next chord is that, which is a G7 flat 9, G, F in the left hand, D, A flat and B. Okay, and so I'll show you. So it kind of goes like this. That's our C major 7. Molia. That's our F major 7. Chords like that. That's our C major 7 again. D minor 7. That was our G7 flat 9. And back to our C major 7. So I'll speed it up a little bit. And then here I like to do a little, so it's just a G in the bass and F, A, C, E. C major 7 again. Now here's where I do like a little turnaround. I do this. It's a E, I think it's a E minor 7 flat 5. So, but you can just have a look. An A7 flat 9 as well, I think. Just have a look at what I'm playing. And then back to that D minor 7. So I'll speed it up a little bit. This is what it sounds like. So that's the first part, that first verse. So I'll just play the whole first verse for you, the way that I play it, but it's the same chords. So to go into the next part, I do so basically what I'm doing to transition to the next part of the song, it's like a G minor 7, so G, F, and the left hand, and then B flat, D and F, and then it's like a C major, C7 flat 9. I'll play so. That's F major 7. Okay, so for the next part, these are the chords. So there's F major 7, or I'll play it like this: F major 7, and then that's A minor 7. So I have an A, G, and then pretty much a C major chord in the right hand. And B flat major 7. What is that? That's like a F sharp diminished. So F sharp and C, F sharp, A, C, E, or it's actually probably half diminished. Anyways, I'll play it so that you can hear what it sounds like. F major 7, A minor 7, so that's just G minor 7 followed by that G7 flat 9 that we did before. And then back to the C major 7. And then I'll turn around.